Past criteria 2 is still focusing on different accounting systems, but now you need to focus on management accountant reporting. And the main methods of reporting are verbal presentation, written reports, and charts, tables, and other visual aids. Verbal presentation can be the most compelling method. A skilled presenter can emphasize the points they consider are the most important, they can summarize the key points, and use body language to help engage the audience. They can also take questions and clarify any misunderstandings. However, they will need to provide the audience with something, either on the day or emailed later, to help them remember all the points that were covered. And a verbal presentation can introduce bias if the presenter focuses too much on the issues that they consider are important. Written reports are ideal for the detail. Trying to verbally present every single detail covered in a set of management accounts would soon send the audience to sleep. But a well-presented report will allow the reader to focus on the information that's relevant to them. Not everybody will want to read everything. Senior management might want to get a broad overview. A marketing manager might just want to really focus on the data that relates to their department. The problem with presenting raw data, that is, columns of figures and spreadsheets, is that it can be difficult for people to really grasp what the data is telling them, particularly people who are not accountants, which is where pie charts, graphs, Venn diagrams, tables, and some of the wonderful infographics that you see today are really useful. They can bring the data to life and highlight trends, relationships, and key facts that might otherwise just get lost in the data. Whatever method is used, it is essential that the language used is appropriate to the audience. Even the most impactful and engaging infographic is pretty useless if the words and the terminology you use on there are full of jargon that the reader can't understand. Finally, the type of reports that you need to consider in your assignment include budget reports, accounts receivable, job cost reports, and inventory management reports.